we're making sure that we speak to the needs of our parents. Our parents clearly told us we need more pre-K classrooms, more opportunities for our youngest learners.
I was the mom that shopped all around and looked at all the different programs that exist within a driving distance of my home, and I realized that this high scope program was able to develop a well-rounded student.
They get an opportunity to catch up with their peers and to be on the same playing field when they get to kindergarten, so that everyone can get to the place where at 3rd grade they're reading fluently, comprehending well, and doing well on our state assessments.
The teacher is able to help the child to see where the child wants to go. So for example, if a child says, I want to be at this center all day, the teacher's responsibility is to bring other components from other centers into that child's center of choice. So as the child is exploring their own environment, they're able to also take away some of the other experiences as well. It helps them as they get into the kindergarten program, so that now they're able to say, you know what, I like this and I don't like that. And so as they begin to experience what kindergarten has to offer, they already have that foundation for learning that they're able to propel their understanding into the next grade level.